Hello, y'all. It is Danielle from Large Family Homestead. I am sitting on the floor in our office because my subscribe and save just came, and I know that you like to see what we get. So I do subscribe and save different than a lot of people. I don't just let Amazon ship me things at whatever price they feel like sending me things. So I go through and just look for things that we use, wait for good deals on them, watch prices on things, and when they're good prices, I order, and then I cancel it. I don't let it come again because Amazon will ship you the items at whatever price it is if you let them on the future deliveries. The only one that's guaranteed at that price is your first delivery. And remember that you need 5 items, a minimum of 5 items per delivery to get the 15% off. So this month, I got some things that we needed that weren't necessarily like on sale, but were still better price than what I'll find in the store. And then I got some deals that I was able to find that we didn't need, but I will put away for when we do. So let me turn you around here and you can see what we got. Okay, so the first thing I found that actually was a deal was these Santa Cruz limeades. I have purchased these before at natural grocers for the kids, and they've loved them. It's definitely a better option than some juices. And I bought 2 of those in glass jars for $2.56 each, $5.11 for the pair. And then I did look through and noticed that we were getting low on toothpaste. There's 2 brands I'll use because we don't do fluoride and we avoid anything with carrageenan in it for our own personal reasons. So I will do this brand, the Himalaya, or I'll do Dr. Bronner's, whichever one is on sale at the time. And none of my family struggles with cavities or anything like that. So they must be working well. So this 4-pack is $22.09 or $5.52 a piece. So they're not cheap toothpastes, but in my opinion, everything that we can spend to keep our family's teeth healthy and stay out of the dentist is a win. I chalk it up to no dental bills. So that I'm willing to pay for. And then I do buy a special toothpaste for a couple people in the home who struggle with not having as much enamel. So this is what was recommended to me by our dental hygienist, and it's worked great. It's a nano hydroxy. I'm not even gonna try. I was gonna try and then I just changed my mind. So I'm not gonna, but it's made by Boka. It's also fluoride free. It has worked really well for those that are using it. It does cost, what did I put here? $10.40. So it's not cheap, but there's only 2 people in our home using it, so it doesn't get used that fast. Again, an investment that keeps us from the dentist. And then also for those, I have the Uncle Harry's remineralization liquid. That was $15.71. This smells so good. The sea salt, the peppermint oil, the eucalyptus, the clove, the wintergreen, and oregano. That's what makes it smell so good. So the reports I've gotten back are that this has been working very well, reducing sensitivity in those people's mouths. So worth the $15.71 in my opinion. Okay, so none of those were deals. They were just things that we were running low on. A deal that I did find though are these little containers of organic chicken broth. So we can our own chicken broth, but when I saw these, they're the smaller ones, the 8 ounce. I can mine in 32 ounce, but every now and then I need just a small amount, not often. That's why I don't can them in the small amount. So I thought, well, while these are on sale, I'll grab them. It's much easier than canning a little bit that I'm not going to use very often. And those came to $10.85. I got 4 packs for $10.85. So that is $2.71 per pack, and these equal up to a quart altogether. So not a bad price for something I can throw in my pantry. Where is the expiration? So I have until September. Wonder if it's the same on all of them. So they say I have until September. We tend to keep things around for longer than that a lot if everything smells good, and we haven't had any issue doing that. So I'm really proud about that. That's going to be great in the pantry. Next up is this after meal supplement. So I use, I keep papaya on hand. A friend had told me about it a few years ago to use instead of like Tums and things. And I tend to buy my papaya at Natural Grocers, but I haven't been there. And I tried to buy it on Amazon, but they don't carry the same brand anymore. So we're gonna try this one out. This one is a company I've used for other things, so I think it'll be okay. I got this 100 count papaya after meal supplement. I'm looking at the price, I'm sorry, $9.92. So that's 10 cents each. So that's good to have on hand in case we ever need it. And I also found this deal on this lip balm set by Art Naturals. It has coconut oil and aloe leaf and castor oil. And that came to, for the 6-pack, $6.36, which is like $1 and change per stick, which you can't even get the not good stuff for that price. It's made with beeswax. I was really excited about this purchase, and I'm going to give one to each of the girls. They're going to love them. Great find. Love when I find things like that. Okay, then I saw this Gorilla. Whenever I see like Gorilla products on sale, I grab them to put in my husband's work shed because I know that he likes the brand. They're always good for stuff. So this one was a waterproof patch and seal tape. Can be used indoor and outdoor. He was really excited when I showed him this. It's a 10-foot roll that I got for $10.13. So really good price on that for a Gorilla brand. Then I also found these. They had a 50% coupon on these because they wanted people to try them. And so that brought 60 of these. They're like laundry detergent sheets you put in, and you don't need to pour laundry detergent. And with the 50% off coupon, I got them for $5.97. So that's less than 10 cents a load. And I'm really excited about trying these. I've never tried anything like these. So that's gonna be really exciting. And then the last thing that we got were the 5-pound bag of Grub Terra for the chickens. And we saw that there was a coupon on Amazon for the 5-pound bag. So we got the 5-pound bag for $27.02, which is a steal. It'll last our chickens a long time and they love it. The best thing about the Grub Terra is that they are not, I'm trying to find it on the bag just to prove it to you. I know that it said it somewhere else, but they are not made in China. I don't know why I don't see it on this bag, but on the smaller bags it says that, which is, you know, a good thing. And they're the same price as the ones that are made in China. So why wouldn't you go with the better brand? So altogether, I spent $123.56, which, I mean, I didn't come out like rocking any major savings here, but that was mainly because I needed to do a dental care stock up. If I hadn't done the dental care stock up, I think we would have, you know, had a really good buy because everything else was pretty much a sale item. But we're stocked up now for a while. These will last, we'll be good for a few months now on toothpaste because I still had some. I just don't like to get too low. I like to buy things ahead of when I need them. So the dental care is covered. You know, that alone cost me about $50 in my order. But again, like I said, investing in good natural products, keeping my family's teeth healthy, prevents expensive bills down the road. That, and we don't eat a lot of sugar or anything. So that helps too. But we all have strong, healthy teeth, no major issues. So that is a plus. And I'd love to hear what you got in your order. Let me know. And I look forward to seeing you next time.